This is the Kia Soul EV, and if you need to replace the key for battery in this car, it's actually pretty easy to do on your own. Unfortunately, this key is a little bit damaged, as you see, and that's why this thing keeps falling apart. But anyway, in your case, it's not gonna happen. So you take out the metal key, first of all, then you have this cavity here, and it looks like you need a screwdriver, but actually you can pry it out with this fob, with this metal key. So just be careful not to damage anything, and then you need to locate it like this in order to not lose anything from the key, and disconnect two halves. And here you have the battery. It's CR2032 battery. You can take it out with the help of your fingers, but it would be nice to use some small screwdriver and just pry it out. I will not do that because the battery works. Now when you replace the battery, you need to still hold everything this way, because yeah, you see in my case it's falling apart a little bit. I'll hold it, and because this circuit board can fall out, so be careful. You don't want to gather the parts of your key all over the vehicle. Now place the lid over the key and start pressing on it in order to make sure everything comes together. And then the last thing you do is put in the metal key. That's all. It's like 1 minute job and a $3 or €3 battery, and your key is ready to go for another year or even more.